What's up everybody, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I've got a project going on. I don't really want to spoil it yet, but got the printers going and these should go for about 15 hours, and then I've got another print that will go for probably 20 because it's larger, and we will show what it is. I think y'all are going to be pretty impressed, so stay tuned. So these models came from two different places. This one came from Etsy and this one came from Do3D. He had a 50% off sale for May the 4th, so I picked this up. Battle Damage Darth Vader. I printed it each at 100%, so I'm going to see if this fits around the head. I don't want to do the rest of it, the helmet, until I'm sure that this face fits on the Anakin head that I'm printing here. Back in a bit. Alright, so the 100% Anakin was too large for the Darth Vader mask at 100%, so I scaled it down to 80%. I'm going to get this off the printer and see where we stand. And here's where we ended up. I will do another video soon showing the progress of the sanding and painting.